Hey guys, welcome back to Showman's Toy Reviews. Sorry I was gone for a while. I was in a vacation. But yeah, we're back in 2020 for the YouTube channel. Okay, let's get into today's video. We got a banger today. We have a new toy, it just came in the mail. Let's do the unboxing. Oh. Alright, there's the toy. Let's see the toy now. Oh, there's some technical difficulties. Okay. Alright, so we got the toy right here. We ordered it on Amazon. It was very expensive. So it's one second. Let me just fix this. Alright. So we got the toy right here. It's policeman, police truck. What is it? Ambulance. So we have an ambulance right here. The roof is detachable, so it goes up and down like this. It's kind of nice. Let's see here. Okay, it kind of came broken for some reason. I don't know why, but it's okay because it still works. So it got some 4 wheels. Let's see the other side. Oh, this is a nice truck. Okay. All right. Well, that wraps up today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to drop a like and drop a subscribe. Don't forget to leave a nice comment. and we'll be back. Drop a like for daily videos in 2020. Yeah, let's go.